So yung tent namin kakakabit lang nung ano, nung sticker sa kapitbahay namin Thailand. Nag-warm up na Hong Kong. Tsaka China yun. China. So bawat isang team may isang tent. Tapos ilang tent yan? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So chinecheck na yung kay PB ah. Okay na Pibs? So bike na ni PB yung chinecheck ni Sir ha. Bike ni PB. So final sa Aerobar. PB Salazar. So kanina ang pinadya sa kanya yung upuan, yung saddle. Ngayon yung Aerobar. Just gonna check yung saddle to handlebar.
It's close. Without that working properly, I would say that one should be okay.
Okay. So okay na. Thank you sir. Thank you. Okay na kay PB.
Okay na, baby.
So okay na.